putting in the work daily, but you're still broke. Doesn't matter how hard you work because you're still trapped. But don't worry, because I'm going to show you in this video that you don't actually have to work harder. The only reason that you're trapped is because of a cycle, a mindset, a loop, a programming, a belief that you've been telling yourself that's keeping you stuck. Because it doesn't matter how much work you put in. It doesn't matter how much effort you put in. If you don't fix this one problem, and it starts in the mind, then no matter what, you will not break and escape the trap. They programmed you from you were young, making you think that working harder is going to get you farther. But there's people who work less hours and make way more money. It doesn't matter about how hard you work. It doesn't matter about the effort. It matters about the mindset. So the thoughts that are keeping you broke, these are just some examples. Money is hard to make. Rich people are lucky or they're greedy. I'll never get ahead no matter what I do. The victim mindset. We got to talk about the victim mindset because that's what's actually keeping a lot of men and people in general broke. They have this identity that the world's not fair, and they have this belief system. A belief is a programming that you've been telling yourself, that your parents taught you. Money's hard to get. What am I, made of money? Money's the root of all evil. All of these different things that you've been told that are keeping you blocked. You think that you got to go to school, you got to get a degree, you got to study for years, and there's people you go online that are making money come out of thin air. They're creating and they're making things happen because they have a natural flow. They have an actual mindset that's unlocking their blessings. So let's jump into it. The broke man's loop. Blame, same results, more blame, inaction. You guys get inspired a little bit. I'm going to take action. And then you work for a little bit of time, you don't see any results. But the reason you're not seeing the results is because of the mindset, the loop that you're in. You cannot fix the external world by trying to fix the external world. The definition of insanity is doing the exact same things and expecting different results. So what you actually need to do, instead of trying to fix the outside, you got to start with the inside. This is why they call it income, because it starts within. You won't see outcome until you fix the income. And the income meaning the information, the belief system, the mindset that you have that is keeping you stuck. You cannot be in a victim's mentality. You have to have unlimited faith, unlimited belief in yourself that you are able to change your life. You got to change your identity. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that because it starts with creating a new identity. You're not broke because of money. You're broke because of your identity. Broke identity, wealthy identity. Victim mindset, winner mindset. You got to think like a person who already knows it's on its way. You got to be and it will come. Become the version of you, the person that is worthy of more money, that is worthy of a bigger business to create that wealth. So how do you do that? You have to first identify what is blocking you. What kind of thoughts do you start with in your day? You have to bring awareness to these thoughts, these patterns. What I want you to do is every single moment of your day that you can, try to be aware of your thoughts. What thoughts are you thinking right now? What thoughts are you thinking when you wake up? What thoughts are you thinking when you're working and you're creating your business or whatever it is you're doing to try to make money? And you have to catch yourself. When you go to the grocery store and you spend money, do you say, damn, this is so expensive? Or do you say, I'm blessed, I can afford this. I got money coming to me. You got to have that mindset that the money you're putting out will return. It'll multiply the more that you put out that energy. You got to change yourself to a wealth identity. The only way that you're going to be able to change your income is by changing your identity. And it starts with the mind. Your thoughts lead to your feelings lead to your actions, and your actions lead to your results. So it starts with how you think and changing that thought pattern, changing that loop. And then from there, you move into how you feel. And when you feel good, you take aligned action. The broke mentality, I can't afford it. Money is scarce. They blame others. Spend on stuff to make them feel good instead of things that invest and help elevate them. They try to play it safe. They're scared to take risks and invest in themselves. Buy a course, buy something that helps change them and helps develop them, helps invest in them and helps them grow. The wealthy mentality, how can I afford it? How can I afford it? Instead of I can't afford it, they ask, how can I afford it? By doing that, their brain is now focusing on solutions instead of problems, because where focus goes, energy flows. If you are looking for problems and you're looking for ways and telling yourself that you can't do it, your brain is just going to validate that. But if you're looking for ways that you can win at life and actually get to that goal, and your brain is going to start searching for solutions. So money flows is another thing. They talk to themselves like, I'm a money magnet. Money flows. They're confident. They're abundant. That's an abundant mindset. They take responsibility and accountability. Anything that happens to them, they say, you know, this is happening for a reason. What lesson am I supposed to learn from this? How am I going to grow from this? Any setbacks are just there to help them elevate. That's how you're supposed to look at life. What am I learning from this that is going to help me in the future, that is going to help me elevate and learn from this mistake so I can grow and I can make more money? The wealthy mentality invest in themselves. They study, read books, learn from others. You guys are watching this channel right now, so you guys are on the right path because you guys are trying to grow and trying to learn. They invest in courses, they invest in mentorship, coaching, and they do whatever it takes for them to keep learning and growing, because the more you learn is the more that you're going to earn. So like I said, everything starts in the mind. If you want to become a wealthy person, you have to change your identity. You got to adapt this new mindset and stop thinking the world's working against you and start telling yourself everything is working for me. Reprogram your mind in 3 phases. This is simple. Mind, identity, results. So what I want you to do is at first be aware of the thoughts that are happening in your mind on a daily basis. Which thoughts are setting you back? And the minute you get a negative thought or something that doesn't work for your belief system, I want you to change that. Damn, starting content creation is hard. Actually, you know what? Change that. There's people out there that need to hear my message. You see the difference? One is from lack and one is from abundance. Money's easy. Money flows to me. Money is everywhere. Look around. There's nice cars outside. There's buildings. There's wealthy people, nice watches, luxury. There's money all around and it's circulating. And guess what? I'm going to get myself some. Abundance. I want you to start looking for abundance everywhere. That's part of the mindset shift. You do this long enough, over a longer period of time, you create a new belief system. What does belief mean? And I say this in a lot of my videos. Be life. Belief means be life. Means you're giving life to an idea or a thought. And the more that you keep repeating it is how you live it. You believe it. It becomes your reality. And then for the identity shifting part of it, you need to become it. You become the version of yourself that is already wealthy, that is already living in that manifestation. So you create that identity. What does the highest version of yourself look like? How do they act? How do they move? How do they feel? This is called identity shifting. And when you step into that character and you act like you are already achieving and you act like you're already that person, the universe starts showing you the results. It starts showing you bits and pieces of that new reality coming into fruition. So that is how you create the result. It starts in the mind, then it changes to your identity. The identity and the action leads to the results. But here's the thing. There's a delay period. First you change your inner world and then you'll see the reflection on your outer world. But your inner world, there's going to be a delay. Once you are starting to embody this new character, you're starting to change your thought patterns, life's going to test you. You just have to understand that there is a delay between the inside world and the outside world. It's like when you're updating your MacBook or your laptop, your phone. When you're upgrading, there's that delay period where you got to wait for all the new processing. And once it's done, it starts to show up on the screen and in your system, your new reality. So what happens when you break the cycle? The before and the after. You're making maybe 2K a month and you'll start to see over time your income skyrocket. Month 3, you're making 8K. And then as you get there, you shift into a new identity. I'm going to be the person who's making 20K, 50K. But you set the bar where it's achievable so that you can believe it at first. If you're making only 2K a month, raise the bar and step into the version that's going to be making 5K a month, maybe 8K a month. Whatever is believable for you, because if you don't believe it, you cannot achieve it. So you set small goals. Because if you are making $2,000 a month right now and you say, I want to make 50K a month, you're not going to believe that. You're not going to be able to even embody that person because you don't even know what it feels like to make 5 or 10K a month. So stepping into that 50K from 2K is going to be a hard jump. So set the smaller goal, something that is believable. If you believe that you're making only 2K, but you can start making 10K, and you actually believe that 100%, go for it. But if you don't, and you're not 100% have faith in that, just go down to 5K, something that's more believable, and work your way up. And once you start doing this, you'll create the habit and the belief system, knowing that you have the capability to transform your life and become a higher version of yourself. Guys, it's easy. Go watch some of my other videos on identity shifting. I break it down in a lot of detail, but the biggest key to changing your life is changing your identity. Your personal reality is part of your personality, right? So if you want to have a new personal reality, you have to become a new person. You have to develop a new persona, a new character. Life is a video game, and if you handle it and you look at it from that point of view, you know that you're not stuck and you can elevate. So you guys go check out my book, Becoming the Frequency of Wealth. I talk about a lot of the wealth principles in that as well. If you want mentoring, DM me, message me for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.